Welcome to my Slack review usage experience. In this video, I'll be breaking down Slack's key features, who it's designed for, and how it performs in real-world usage. If you're considering using Slack for team communication and productivity, this review will give you a clear picture. Links to Slack are included in the description below. Slack is one of the most popular business communication tools, designed for teams, remote workers, and organizations that need a streamlined way to collaborate. The core functionality revolves around channels, which allow you to organize conversations by topic, project, or department. This keeps communication structured and eliminates clutter from traditional email threads. Additionally, direct messaging makes one-on-one or small group communication quick and efficient. One of Slack's standout features is its third-party integrations. You can connect Slack with apps like Google Drive, Trello, Asana, Zoom, and hundreds more, making it a powerful hub for managing tasks and projects. The search functionality is another strong point. Slack saves all conversations, making it easy to find past messages, shared files, and discussions. For teams that work remotely, Slack provides video and voice calls, allowing for quick check-ins without switching to another platform. The Slackbot feature can also automate tasks, set reminders, and provide useful tips, helping boost productivity. Notifications are customizable, so you can control alerts based on urgency, channels, or mentions. Slack's pricing model includes a free version, which works well for small teams, while paid plans unlock advanced features like unlimited message history, increased storage, and better security options. The platform is easy to use, with an intuitive interface that doesn't require a steep learning curve. Overall, Slack is a versatile and efficient communication tool that's ideal for businesses, startups, and remote teams. Its channel-based structure, integrations, and ease of use make it one of the best options for team collaboration. If you want to optimize communication and workflow, Slack is a great choice. Check out the link in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching.